Continuing with our 2B notes, if an equation is always true, it is an identity. And there are infinite solutions. That means that any number we substitute in will work. It doesn't matter. If an equation is never true, it has no solution. And we can write that with this symbol, which looks like a 0, but that's 0. To make it no solution, we have to draw a slash through it. So make sure you draw the slash through it. And that means that there is no solution. If you just put a 0, that means the solution is the number 0. So make that slash in there. Example 2a, we're going to solve each equation, and for these we'll either come up with an identity or no solution. Everything so far that we've worked has had one solution to it. So, g is equal to 0 or x is equal to 22/7. Those represent one solution. Sometimes there may be 2, sometimes 3, maybe other numbers. But in these situations, they're either going to be an infinite number or no solutions. So let's finish this up. For this one, A, I can see the left side needs to be simplified, and the right side also needs to be simplified. So let's eliminate the parentheses on the left side. That would be 2g minus 4, so I'm distributing, minus 4. I'm going to, at the same time, I'm going to simplify the right side, so 2g minus 6. So don't forget to distribute. The left side, I can combine my negative 4s, and that's going to result in 2g minus 8 is equal to 2g subtract 6. Then I will combine my g's, so I'm going to subtract. You can see they're the same, actually. When I subtract the 2g from both sides, it's going to result in a statement that, let's cancel, negative 8 is equal to negative 6. Well, obviously, negative 8 does not equal to negative 6. So this would be an example where it's not true, and there's going to be an answer of no solution. So I'm going to write that 0 with a slash through it to say that there is no solution to example 2a. Example B, I will need to again distribute, so I will get 4a plus 8 is equal to, I have 14. This time I'm going to be distributing the negative 2. So I'll have 14, and I'll have negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And negative 2 times negative 2a is going to be positive 4a. So don't forget that you're multiplying by a negative 2. We'll need to finish up by combining the terms on the right side. So I will then have 4a plus 8. 14 minus 6 is 8 plus 4a. Now when I combine my a's and I subtract my 4a from both sides, those will both subtract out, and I will be left with 8 equals 8, which is always true. So if I end up with a statement that is obviously always true, then I know that there is an infinite number of solutions and that this is an identity. So any number I substitute in for A in the original problem will check out to be a true statement.